Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. And today I thought of starting with a new concept of daily UI challenge presented by this website called dailyui.co. So for your convenience, I'll be actually making this easier by creating a document and sharing the link in my description, and you can check out that. And today's daily challenge is a sign up page. So here's a catch for me. I'll be creating a sign up page in this artboard. The artboard size is 375 by 812. And the catch is that I will be creating not just sign up, but I'll be even creating the login screen also. Login screen along with the interaction if possible. So, yeah, let's get started with this. Let me save it. Sign up UI daily challenge. Okay. Not save it here. I'll save it in my local drive. So I go to my work and then create a new folder here saying daily oh, daily UI challenge. Okay, so I will be saving it here with the name of uh, daily UI challenge number number one, sign up. Okay, so let me save that, and it is saved. So let me start with, okay, what for before we start, we'll actually have to see what fields do we add. First thing is we'll have to add a name, and then we'll have to add an email address for sign up. So email address, and then we'll have to give a mobile contact number, phone number, and then we'll have to give maybe a password creation. Yeah, create a password and then re-enter the password. Re-type password. So this will be our fields for the sign up thing. And if we are actually making maybe login, our thing will be just these two. So we'll have a password thing and an email address. So we'll be logging in up with these two fields, and we'll be signing up with this field. So let me change this sign up, and then we'll keep login. For this, I'll be using two color swatches. One is the black one, and one is the yellow one. Black goes somewhere around this black. It should not go pitch too black, because it will become constrained to the eyes. And yeah, what yellow do we use? We might have to use like this part. Okay, let's see how contrasting it is. So yeah, it is pretty contrasting. So we can use these two colors. If you want to note down the colors, you can take from here, or I'll even provide it in the description box. So yeah, how do we start designing now? So we have kept the color codes, we have kept the fields to be added in sign up and login. So yeah, let's begin with the ellipse tool, and then we'll give this yellow, and we'll actually make both the artboards this black. So the black is this one, 484848. So yeah, this, if we keep something like this, I hope this color suits well, and or it will become constrained to the eyes. Okay, this looks fine. We'll have to change the color. Okay, so before we begin, we might have to give a quote here. Quote is not required here. We could give something like a logo. Logo in this part for branding purpose. Again, we'll go with Montserrat for all this everything in this. So we'll go with semi bold. Logo comes here with this color, so it matches. It feels like a white space thing. And yeah, how do we give? We have options while creating our uh, this tabs, not tabs, fields. So we have box type field, and we have a not a complete rounded box because it look like a button. So yeah, we have this thing, we have a line thing, but what I recommend here is I would go with this because it is kind of contrasting here. It'll get fit. So yeah, just keep in mind to remove the borders because it'll look odd. So how do we give this? So we have our name, which will be again in white, and I don't know. I don't like this though. Montserrat, Montserrat, Montserrat. Okay. We'll have to reduce this to 16 because we don't want our field to be covered with that. And this is somewhere around 40. Make height 40. So it comes under the tappability point. And we duplicate this and this and this. So many fields we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fields. So one more. Okay. Copy this to this. Control C and Control V. Control C. Control V. Okay, so here we are. Create a password. No, we'll give it just password. Create password. P caps again, and yeah. So this is our sign up page. Looks. We might have to give a sign up thing here. Okay. So change the color to this, and then we'll make it a little bit. We need not play with the weight of the font because it will not look nice though. It will not look nice. This looks fine. Shift C, Shift M. Okay, not M. This is 16, right? So what I follow is I follow maybe 14 should look fine. Yeah, it looks fine. So okay, our fields are ready, but I kind of find it a little odd. So what I was thinking was maybe give this border like this and remove this. Okay, so in this field, if we have to maybe, so name John Doe, John Doe. But we'll have to keep this opacity a little less so that it looks like that you'll have to type in there what you'll have to type and how the field should look. Underscore T. John underscore D at the rate xyzmail.com. Okay. So as it is a example based, so we'll have to give this, and this goes somewhere like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So we'll have that 10 digits thing. Or what I was thinking, one more thing was we could give another box here for the user to select what is this thing. It is 6, so I have to give this 6 here and 6 here, and we might have to remove this and maybe give the fill yellow. If we give this yellow, we'll have to use something like plus 91 and this thing should go completely black, the black what we are using. And here we'll give a small drop down kind of thing. Looks fine. And then little more detail adding to this. Okay. I don't know. Looks fine to me. So yeah. We have this, and then password will keep something like this. This, and then we'll pull this down to this. We'll have our everything alignment part, everything ready there. So yeah, this looks fine to me. Now it's time to create a button to sign up. So I think we'll keep a round one, and we'll give this the same yellow we are giving, but in our case this is not a filled form, so we'll have to give maybe a gray one, a complete dull gray, or even we could use something from here itself. So yeah, if you come here, bring it front, and then sign up. Goes to toss to here, so that this looks like a disabled button, and we'll have to increase the weight of the font. This looks like a disabled button as we do not have anything filled here. So I'll just move this little aside, and then if we just give something like, if you have filled here, say my name, and then we have given my email address. Yes, this is my dummy email, don't try to contact. Just saying Masood Ali. Okay, so I've set everything to look, it is set, so we'll have to do this, and then I'll go to this color, and then I'll use the white. The white looks good. Is it visible? I'll have to see that also. Copy, and then paste appearance. So we have this. I don't know, this is not visible, the white is not visible, so let me try adding this color. It looks good, right? Yeah, it looks good. So if I make this as a Control Shift C and M, and Control G and Control C. Control C means center alignment, Control M is middle alignment, and then if we give it a group, Control G, and then again Control Shift C, Control C. What was that? What was that? Shift C, yeah. Central alignment, Shift C. So we have our sign up page both filled on and unfilled on. We have this with filled and with. Okay, so time to create a login page. So before that, we'll actually have to give something like this and this. So we have two things here. Okay, I'll make it thin, regular, and I'll reduce this thing so that it doesn't look like it is selected. I'll put a line here and then give around the circle, and then I'll use this font. Okay, let me not maybe we could give bump up the size of this thickness of the line. So we'll give this login, and then this is sign up. So maybe we'll have to make this a little smaller, not 24, but maybe 18. And this, or we could bring this little closer. Make a center line. So we have our center alignment here, and then we'll see this is our center alignment. So just let me copy this, Control C, delete this, and Control V. We have our everything here, and yeah, when we are logging in also we'll have to use the same elements here. Control C and then Control V. But in this we'll have to use our we'll have to bring this little down and this also a little down. Our logo will be there. Okay, what I could do is I could just bring this down to as our fields will only be there will be only two fields, so we could use these two fields here, and we'll have to paste this. Control G, Shift C, Shift Control G. Okay, so Control C, Control V, and then we'll have to Shift G. Okay, this will be a login. So login. Okay. Yes. This will have to little more dark. So it should look like it's a disabled button till we fill up all the options. So that's one part of the user experience we are giving to the user here. And I'll just pull this here. Okay, it's fine. Delete. Okay, what I'll do here is if I want to copy this, I'll character style I'll use. I'll add two character styles here. So this one will go like this, but why do I have everything double? Delete. Okay, so I have what do I do here? Iska, I'll do this thickness and then this will go light with the same. What was this? 33. We'll make 30. 30. So okay, we have our email address thing, and we'll have control. Wait, let me just copy this. C, Control V, and our password. Control C, Control V. Okay. Here. What's 17? 17. 17. So we have 17 here, and then password. Okay, we keep this 17, and we'll have to choose this color. So for this, what we have more space left here, so we cannot add image as this is just a graphical representation. So what I thought was we could add maybe some quote, maybe like this. So we have our quote ready. So what I do is I take this down to this, and then we'll make it center line 19, maybe 16, and then medium color goes to black, the same black what you have used, and we'll keep it like this. And yeah, of course we'll have to give attribution from whose we have taken this. Of course, Stanley. Okay, there is one more feature we can use. See, get this. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. This looks fine. Okay. Stanley attribute. Huh. So this looks fine. Similarly, we'll have to give this also field button. If this is filled, we will see. Give this a complete dark. Here. So yeah, we are actually ready with our design. So if you have to add interaction also, I'll just show it how to add it. Login. If you click on login, it should take us to this. Login also will take us to this. If you click on this part, we go to this. If you click on this part, we'll go to this. So basically we have our interactions ready, so we'll see how it looks. Login. Okay, I have not added auto animate, so copy this everything. Transition auto animate, is in, is out. So yeah, I'll just show you how it looks. So yeah, I've not even given it back. And this. So this is our interaction. So we'll have our, once we click on this, we'll get our details. If we go to sign up, we'll click on this, we'll get details. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope this was interesting to you. So do share in your comments what things you like about this video, what next should I put. And yeah, thank you for watching. So let me finish the video.